Hi guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Roohpiya. In today's video, I am going to share my hair care routine after nanoplastia treatment. As you all know, I got my nanoplastia treatment done about 2 months ago and now I'm slowly started my regular hair care again to maintain the result for a longer time. So let's get started into the video. The very first step is DIY hair serum. Now let's prepare the DIY hair serum. For this I am using this rosemary, this black seed and the fenugreek seed. Boil all three ingredients in water until the water changes its color. Rosemary is known to boost hair growth and reduce the dandruff from hair scalp. Fenugreek seed is great for strengthening hair and controlling hair fall. Kalonji seeds, black seeds, is rich in antioxidant. They improve scalp health and reduce hair thinning. So once the water changes its color, now I'm going to strain all the water and pour it into a clean spray bottle. To begin, before applying anything to my hair, I always make sure to detangle my hair properly. This step is very important. Detangling reduces breakage, prevents hair fall and help the product distribute evenly. I spray this serum directly onto my scalp and roots, not the hair length. After applying the serum, I gently massage my scalp for a few minutes. You can use your fingertips for massaging, which is excellent, but if you don't want to use your hands, you can also try this CareSmith scalp massager. It's a handy tool with the 4 detachable heads that you can easily remove, clean and reuse. Long press to switch it on. It has 3 speed modes, and if you are a beginner, I recommending you to start with the lower one. You have to use this massager for 5 to 10 minutes only, not more than that. So tomorrow I have to wash my hair, and a day before in the morning I am applying this hair serum on my scalp. Then I am oiling my hair in the evening. To oil my hair, I am using this Sulfate-free rosemary and lavender oil. Also, if you don't have this oil, you can use jojoba oil. First, I detangle my hair again, then I apply the oil only to my scalp, not the hair length. After applying hair oil on my scalp, I am going to massage the oil gently using my fingers or the same scalp massager I showed earlier. This helps to improve blood flow to the hair follicles and support healthy hair growth. After oiling my hair, I leave it overnight and next morning I wash my hair. The next morning I move to the pre-wash routine for my hair length. I use this keratin professional hair mask and apply it only to the hair length, not to the scalp. This works as a deep conditioning mask and help manage frizziness while maintaining the straight, smooth look of nanoplastia treatment. I gently apply this cream to all my hair length, and after applying the cream, I leave it for around 30 minutes before washing my hair. Now it's time to wash my hair. I use the Keratin Professional Sulfate-free shampoo. Instead of applying the shampoo directly to the scalp, I first mix it in a mug with the water to create. Then I use that foam to gently cleanse my scalp. I have been using this shampoo past 2 years and this is the best shampoo that I have ever used. If you have done any kind of chemical treatment to your hairs, you can use this one because this is sulfate free. Let the shampoo sit for about 2 to 3 minutes, then rinse it off with the water. Now after shampooing my hair, I am again using the same Keratin Professional hair mask. I am going to apply it directly on the hair length and leaving it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I am rinsing it off with the normal water, but make sure you do not use the shampoo again after this. Once my hair is clean and towel dried, I apply Streax hair serum to the length. This helps in detangling, add shine and keep the frizz under control. You can use any serum of your choice, but this one is my personal favorite. After applying this serum, I also massage my scalp for a few minutes. So this is my hair care routine and I follow this complete routine once in a week. Because of my work schedule, I don't get time to oil my hair multiple times, so I do it just once a week. And this routine has been working perfectly for me. And here is the final result. That is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Till then, bye guys. We'll meet you soon in my next video.